Good morning, students. I hope everyone safe in your home. Okay, today we are going to see 3rd standard science lesson 1 food. The first topic is food nutrition. Why do you eat every day? What happens if you don't eat sometimes? Every day we feel hungry, so we eat food. If we eat the food, we get the energy. If we do not eat the food, we lose the energy. We can't do any work and play. So every day we feel hungry and then eat something. Our body is telling us that it needs food. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food builds our body. Food builds our body. Food keeps us healthy. Food keeps us healthy. We eat different food items. Yes, daily we eat different food items. Some are raw and some are cooked. What is the meaning of raw foods? Raw foods are uncooked foods. For example, if you eat the fruits raw form, for example, apple, orange, this is not you didn't cook. These are uncooked foods. Vegetable also sometimes you eat carrot in raw form. So these are all raw food items. Some are cooked. Each of these food items contains different nutrition. Each and every food contains different nutritions. There are 5 main nutritions in our body. What are they? First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Next one, proteins. Next, fats. Next, vitamins and minerals. There are 5 main nutritions in our body: carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, here see. Do you know this? World Food Day is observed on October 16. October 16 we are celebrating the World Food Day. Okay. Now come to the topic. Carbohydrates. The first nutrition name is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Our body needs energy to do work, play and do other activities. Our body needs energy to work, play and do other activities. If you play and work means you want the energy. So you get the energy from the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. So we call the carbohydrates are energy giving food. Food that contains carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potato, ice cubes and bread. These foods contain carbohydrates. These foods contain carbohydrates. See the first diagram. Rice, wheat, potato, sugar cubes and then bread. Sugar cubes and then bread. These food contains what nutritions? Carbohydrates. Next we go to proteins. Next nutrition is the proteins. Protein build, maintain and replace the tissues in our body. What is the meaning of tissues? Tissues means group of cells in our body. So protein builds, maintain and replace the group of cells in our body. So we call the proteins as body building foods. What is the other name? Body building foods. Example for proteins: fish, milk, egg, nuts and sprouted seeds. What is the meaning of sprouted seeds? முளைக்கட்டிய தானியங்கள். See the first diagram. Fish, milk, egg, nuts, cashew nuts, almond, like the nuts. And the last one is the sprouted seeds. Okay, these food items containing more proteins. So daily you take one protein items in your food. Next one is the fat. Fat provide energy to us. They act as the body energy receiver. Yes, we get the energy from the fat food items. Yes or no? Yes. So we call the fat food items as body energy receiver. Fat foods help to keep the body warm during very cold weather. During the winter season, fat help us to keep the body warm. Too much fat in the body may lead to obesity or overweight. Yes, don't take too much of fat food items regularly, okay, because it lead to gain the overweight. Okay, some of the food items that contain fat are cheese, butter, ghee, meat, oil and nuts. These food contain more fat. Daily you want to take the notes, children, don't forget. Okay, daily you take the notes, then and there I will ask you the question tomorrow. Okay, children, today class over. Today we seen only 3 nutritions. Tomorrow we will see next 2 nutritions. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Morning, children. Previous class we learned 3 nutritions, right? Yes. What are they? Carbohydrate, protein, fats. Do you remember that nutrition, children? Yeah. Now we are going to see next 2 nutritions. Okay. The first one is vitamins. First one is what? Vitamins. Our body needs vitamins to work properly. Our body needs vitamins to work properly. Okay. Next point. They protect our body from deficiency diseases. They protect our body from deficiency diseases. We need to avoid deficiency diseases. You must eat vitamin rich food items. You must eat vitamin rich food items. For example, carrot, orange, gooseberry, papaya and greens. Yes or no? Yes. See this picture. First one, carrot, orange, gooseberry, papaya and greens. Next nutrition name is minerals. Next nutrition name is minerals. Minerals help in formation of blood, bone, teeth, etc. What is the meaning of formation? To develop. So mineral helps in develop our blood, bone, teeth, etc. They regulate the body functions. What is the meaning of regulate? What is the meaning of regulate? Regulate means to control our body. So minerals helps to control the body function. Minerals helps to control the body function. For example food items of minerals. Example, fig, pear, garlic, banana and apple. What is the meaning of fig? Attipalam. Okay. Pear, berika, garlic. You already know garlic, banana and apple. These are mineral rich nutritions. Okay, nutrition food items. Are you clear, children? Yeah. So now we see what are vitamins and minerals. Again I read. Vitamins. Our body needs vitamins to work properly. They protect our body from deficiency diseases. Example, carrot, orange, gooseberry, papaya and greens. Next one, minerals. Minerals help in formation of blood, bone, teeth, etc. They regulate the body functions. Example, fig, pear, garlic, banana and apple. Next, be sensitive. Most children love to eat food items like burgers, pizza and chocolates, which are not good for health. They make children to gain weight. What are the junk food items, children? Yeah, burger, pizza, and chocolate. Yes. Is it good for your health, children? No, because these are unhealthy food items. If you take this item, you become fat. So please avoid this junk food items. Okay. Next, avoid eating unhealthy foods and eat nutritious food to stay healthy. A healthy snack may include sprouts, fruits, and salads. Yeah, eat all the nutrition rich food items, children, because it will give you a healthy body. So, eat all the nutrition food items. Okay, examples sprouts, fruits, and salads. Okay, children. Going to see lesson 1 book inside exercise page number 39. Please take note and note down, children. Okay, now we see which nutritions we call as energy giving food items. You already learned last class, yes or no? Yes. Which food items we call energy giving food? Yeah, carbohydrates. Now we see examples of carbohydrate rich food items. Please note down, children. R-I-C-E, rice. Wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. These are carbohydrate rich food items. Okay, children. Body protecting food items. Which food we call as body protecting food items? Yes, vitamins. What is that? Vitamins. So, carrot, orange, papaya are body protecting food items. See, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. These food items contains vitamins. Okay. Body building food items. Which nutritions we call as body building food items? Yeah, proteins. What is that? Proteins. So, some examples are given. Fish, F-I-S, fish. Milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Egg, E-G-G, egg. Nuts, N-U-T-S, nuts. These are protein rich food items. Okay. Next. What are the nutritions present in the following food items? What are the nutrition present in the following food items? First one, rice contain dash. Rice contain which nutritions? Yeah, carbohydrates. C-A-R-B-O-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E-S. Next, coconut oil. Coconut oil contains which nutritions? Yeah, fats. F-A-T-S, fats. Next, third one, egg. Egg contains dash nutritions, proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S, proteins. Next, fourth one, fig. Fig contains dash nutritions, minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. Next, last one, carrot. Carrot contains dash nutritions, yeah, vitamins. V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S, vitamins. Are you clear, children? Fill in the table given below. Okay. Nutritions. Why do you need it? Sources. First one, carbohydrates. First nutrition is what? Carbohydrates. Okay. Why do we need it? They give us energy to work and play. Carbohydrate give us energy to work and play. For example, wheat. Next one, vitamins. Why do we need vitamins? Because protect our body from diseases. Vitamins protect our body from diseases. Example, carrot. Next, third one, proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S, proteins. Why do we need proteins? Because they help to build our body. They help to build our body. Example, milk. Fats. Why do we need fats? Fats we call as reservoir of energy. Reservoir of energy. For example, oil. Next nutrition name is minerals. Minerals regulate the body function. Minerals regulate the body function. For example, garlic. Okay children, today class over. Please take your notes then and there. Tomorrow I ask the questions. Good evening children. Previous class we have discussed about the 5 nutritions, right? Yeah. What are the nutritions? Yes, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Now we are going to see balanced diet. What is that? Balanced diet. See here. This is the balanced diet. Diet refers to the food we eat. A balanced diet contains all nutrients in the right amounts. It also includes fiber and water. It helps in the growth and development of our body. Okay, first, what is meant by diet, children? Diet is a food we normally eat in a day. Okay, next. A balanced diet contains all nutrients in the right amount. Our diet contains all the nutrients required by our body in the right quantities. Okay. For example, people of different ages need different types of diet. Yes? Yes. At the growing age, children require diet rich in protein and carbohydrate. Old people need rich in vitamins, minerals and dietary fibers. So, balanced diet leads to a good physical and good mental health. It helps to the growth and development of our body. It increases the capacity to work and ability to fight the diseases. It is very important to have a balanced diet. So, a diet which contains all the 5 nutrients including fiber and water in the correct amount is called perfect balanced diet. The quality of nutrition required by our body and the sources can be shown by the food pyramid. See here. This is the food pyramid. This is what? Food pyramid. See, the food items that should be eaten in the less amount is kept at the top of the pyramid. See this pyramid. This is the pyramid. The food which you want to eat less amount is at the top of the pyramid. See, this is the pyramid. You want to eat very less pyramid. All the nutrients are present in this pyramid. So, see down. Rice, potato, bread, fruit, vegetables, milk products, everything you want to eat more because these are all very good for your health. The top of the pyramid is ice cream, cool drinks and chocolate. These food items you want to eat less. So less. So only they keep at the top of the pyramid. Okay, okay children, are you clear? Yes. A balanced food pyramid is shown here. Next we are going to see rough age. Next we are going to see the rough age. What is meant by rough age? The types of food which helps your stomach to deal with other food is called rough age. What is meant by rough age? Types of food which helps your stomach to deal with other foods. Okay. See here. Rough age, also known as fiber, is an indigestible food that your body cannot absorb. It is present in foods such as legumes, whole grains and vegetables. Why is it important to drink water, children? Water does not provide any energy, but it performs our body many chemical reactions. Yes? Yes, water removes waste and regulates the body temperature. You should drink 8 glasses of water every day. There are some food items that are not digested by our body. Yes, children? Yes. They help in digestion process and maintaining water balance. So we call as roughage. So roughage we want to include the fiber and water that it is present our body that your body can't absorb. It present in the food items such as legumes. What is the meaning of legumes? பருப்பு வகைகள், grains, தானியங்கள் and vegetables. These food items contain more roughage. So you must take the fiber food items and drink at least 8 glasses of water in a day. Okay. It found in many fruits, vegetables, greens and legume also. It helps in regular bowel movement of our body also. So here the milk is the complete balanced diet. Which is the complete balanced diet, children? Milk is the complete balanced diet. Okay. Here see, children. More to know. More to know. Wait, children. More to know. Carrot contains vitamin A. Carrot contains which nutritions? Vitamin A. Bran. What is the meaning of bran? Tavid contains vitamin B. Gooseberry. What is my gooseberry? Periya nellikkai. Contains vitamin C. Milk contains vitamin D. Sunflower oil contains vitamin E. Cabbage contains vitamin K. Vitamin K. Next, we are going to see the book inside exercise, children. Okay. First one, unscramble the following words. What is that? Unscramble the following words. First one, AITVIMN. Do you have any idea, children? This is one of the nutritions. Yes, vitamin. 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 INMELAR. This is also one of the nutritions. Yes. Mineral. 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 MKIL. This is very easy, children. What is that? Milk. 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 WTERA. Water. 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 HEGE. Ghee. 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 RCIE. Rice. 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 GEG. Egg. 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 FSHI. Fish. 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 Please take a note and note down, children. Don't forget. Next. To check whether it is a balanced diet, split your meal according to the nutritions. Please write according to the nutritions food items. Okay. First one, proteins. First nutrition name, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamin and minerals, fats. These are the nutritions name. You want to write the nutritions rich food items. Okay. First one, proteins. Example, egg, milk. You write some other examples also. Okay. Carbohydrates, bread, rice. Vitamin and minerals, carrot, fig, orange, pear. Fats, oil, nuts. Next, last one, health care. You want to care your health. Yes or no? Yeah. Drink plenty of water every day. Every day you should drink plenty of water. We should not spill the food while eating. While eating, you should not spill the food. Don't waste your food. Okay, children? Today class over, children. If you have any doubt, please ask tomorrow. And take the notes then and there. Keep it ready. Okay? Thank you, children. Children, previous class we saw balanced diet. Right? Yeah. Today we are going to see the meals in a day. A meal is what we eat during a particular time of the day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the three main meals we eat every day. Yes, During a particular time of the day, we eat something. Yeah, that is called as meal. Okay, there are three main meals we eat every day. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay children? Yeah. Kavya and Surya are studying 3rd standard. They leave home at 8 a.m. to go to school and they have their breakfast before going to school. So Kavya and Surya, both of them studying which class children? 3rd standard. Usually they leave home at 8 a.m. before going to school. They finish their breakfast and then only they move to the school. Yes children? Yeah. Their mother usually makes some food items in breakfast. What are they? Idli, dosa, bread with egg, ragi kool, idiyappam, puri, appam and pongal. At 12:40 p.m. the school bell rings to announce lunch break. Kavya and Surya both wash the hands and sit down to eat lunch with their friends. Yes children, afternoon section you eat the lunch, no, we call as lunch time. School bell rings which time children? 12:40 p.m. Kavya and Surya, both of them wash the hands properly and sit down to eat the lunch with their friends. First all of them place the lunch towel on the floor before they go to eat. Surya and the friends share the lunch. Everyone share the lunch, which include lemon rice, fruit salad, greens, rice along with sambar, biryani, tomato rice, vegetable salad, curd rice, tamarind rice and cereals. Children, you also bring for lunch different food items daily, right? Yeah, like that Kavya and Surya also bring different variety of food items. Next, Kavya and Surya have the dinner half an hour before going to bed. Half an hour before going to bed, Kavya and Surya had the dinner. They like having chapati, milk and fruits. And on some days, idli, dosa or rice. Some days they eat idli, dosa, rice. Some days they eat chapati, milk and fruits. Are you clear children? Okay. Next, do you know? See here, do you know? The amount of time you should spend for washing your hands each time before eating is at least 20 seconds. Children, daily before eating you should wash your hands 20 seconds. Okay, that is about as long it takes you to sing happy birthday song twice. Try it when you wash your hands next time. At the time you sing happy birthday song 2 times and then you wash your hands. Try the next time when you wash your hands. Okay children? Evening children, today we are going to see about the food habits in different places. Food habit of people at a place depends on the climate, culture and availability of food. Yes, people at different places depends on the different climate, culture and food, right? Yeah. For example, in coastal areas, people eat a lot of seafood. India is a big country with different climate and culture. What is the meaning of coastal areas? The people who live near the sea. So, the people who live near the sea eat a lot of seafood items, correct? Yes. The next point, India is our big country with a different climate and culture. Are you understand children? Yes. Next, South Indian food and North Indian food. See, this is South Indian and this is North Indian food. You see, South Indian food. South Indians depends on rice, dal, coconut, jaggery for the food. South Indians depend on rice. Dal means what? Parupu. Coconut, jaggery. Jaggery means vellam for the food. Hence, they make food like idli, sambar, kolkattai and payasam. These are the South Indians food. Next, North Indians. North Indians depend on wheat, onions, milk and curd. North Indian mostly they eat which food items, children? Wheat, onions, milk and curd. Hence they make food items like chapati, paratha and lassi. Okay. Yes. Next, food habits in different age groups. Food habits in different age groups. The amount of food a person needs depend on his age. Based on the age group, we need to take the food. Okay. These need changes with age group and level of physical activity. Yes, if we taken these kind of food items, our physical activity will be changed. Okay. Next, athletes may need more amount of energy during training. The sportswomen or men, they need more amount of energy. So during the training period, the athletes need more amount of energy. Young children should eat a wide variety of food. Young children, you should eat many variety of food items. Okay. Okay. The following food items can be eaten by the people of different age groups in order to maintain good health. In order to maintain your good health, you should eat the food items according to your age. Okay, children? Are you clear? Yes. See here. Children. This is children food items. Next, young adult. And next, old adult. Children, you should eat lot of food items like milk, honey, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, egg, sprouted seeds and fish. Okay. Young adult, all vegetables and fruits, seafood, greens. Greens means what? Keeregal, milk and milk products. Next, old adult, fibrous food. Fibrous food means what? நார் சத்து நிறைய உள்ள food items. Low fat, dairy products, food with less salt, ragi, tinai and pearl millet. Pearl millet means what? Kambu. Okay, these are the food habits in different age groups. Okay, are you clear, children? Yes. Next one is the traditional food. Next one is what? Traditional food. Okay, our ancestors ate food that were easily available from nature, which lead to healthy lives. What is the meaning of ancestor, children? முன்னோர்கள். Okay, so our ancestors ate lot of what food items? Natural food items. For example, ragi, tinai, samai, kudiraivalli, varagu and kambu. These are the natural food items which are good for your health. Our ancestors ate this variety only. Okay, so you also eat the natural food items ragi, tinai, samai, kudiraivalli, varagu and kambu. Okay, different varieties of ragi food. See down. Different varieties of ragi food items. These are the ragi food items. Ragi ball, ragi dosa, adai, vermicelli and biscuits. These are the ragi food items. Okay. Okay, children. Next one is the home garden. Cultivation of crops in a small available place in household is known as home garden or kitchen garden or nutrition garden. What is the meaning of cultivation of crops? பயிர்களின் சாகுபடி. Okay, so in your home we cultivate crops in a small available place. We call as home garden or kitchen garden or nutrition garden. Examples: vegetables like tomato, brinjal, snake gourd, beans, lady's finger, and fruits like banana, lemon and also herbs. What is the meaning of herb, children? Mooligai chedi. Okay. These variety of vegetables and fruit items, you put the what? Home garden in your home. Okay. Next, advantage of home garden. What are all the advantages of home garden? First point, it is the easiest method. It is the easiest method. Wastewater can be reused. We can use the wastewater for your garden. Next, it saves our money. It saves our money. Home garden saves our money. Next, we get vegetables which are fresh and high in nutrient value. Yeah, if you grow the vegetables in your home, you get the fresh vegetables with nutrition value. Okay, so everyone keep your home garden in your home. Okay, okay children, lesson over. Next class we see the book back exercise. Are you clear, children? If you have any doubt, please ask me. I hope you understand this lesson. Yes, okay. Thank you, children.